Welcome to a new video. For showing how to add metallic light shining animation effect, here I open the image in my timeline. Open effect panel and search here lighting effects. Drag this effect onto the image. Select the image and go to effect controls. Click on the rectangle below the lighting effect. Move to the rectangle and bring it to the front of the image and shape it the way I do. And make the ambience intensity to 100%. Bring the playhead to the very beginning. Now move this box out of the text. Now turn the keyframe of mask path. Now if you can't find the box, click on the mask to see the box. Now move the playhead forward a little. Now click on the box and move on to the entire text, just the way I'm doing. And now we can see metallic light shiny animation effect has been added. That's it for now. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe this channel. Thanks.